Good morning to the coziest. Let's go. It is super early in the morning. I'm here at the post office and they're actually about to open. So your boy's about to jump in because we need to get to the thrift. It's senior day. About to be crazy. Come on. Yo, so I'm going out tonight to like a little fancy dinner for my mom's birthday. And as I was driving here this morning, I was like, man, I wish I could find some like nice Chelsea boots to wear tonight. And I found Chelsea boots in my size. And look, see right there, these are the Cole Haan Nike Air Chelsea boots in all black leather. Let's go. Just found this vintage one stripe polo hoodie. Got the horse right there. Stripe goes all the way around the back. Probably gonna scoop this up. They're only asking for 6. Found this Champion right here. Size medium for women's. All embroidered, super clean. For sure gonna scoop. Crazy Louis Vuitton briefcase right here. Obviously fake, this is crazy. I also found this bootleg Gucci right here. This is a t-shirt, size medium. For sure gonna scoop this one up. This one's fire. Yo, what's good guys? My hair probably looks a little crazy right now. That bun looks a little weird. Probably just gonna fix that up. But I just got here to the restaurant. I just parked for Mama's birthday. So y'all can say happy birthday to her in the comments down below. Obviously I'm in my smock right now, so gotta get dinner attire ready. So let's change. About to pop this open for the first time. Let's go. What up, your boy? Got the Versace looking jacket on right now, but the boo-boo just got here, so I'm gonna go walk to her car so we can go to the restaurant and go grub. Let's go. Decided to switch it up. This is a reversible jacket, so decided to go with the white side. I need to fix my hair one more time. What up, boo? What up, boo? About to eat hard right now. Let's go. And I went back to the orange. Threw on the chain though. Decided to go with the first choice, but me and the boo-boo are now walking to the restaurant. We're gonna eat here at Ruth's Chris with the familia and some significant others. Cleaned up and straight to feet. Super hyped about these boots. Yeah. There it is. Damn, what up, girl? Happy birthday. Mama got the flowers right there, but you can't really see them. But what's that? What is that? What is that?
Send them my let's go video.
What?
Let's go.
Present time. Mom, gotta open your gift.
I have to send this whole thing, what you need. Because Uncle is like really hardcore, like snowboarder.
Do you know what that is?
The Polo Sport duffel?
I don't think there's a name on it, right? No, it's just a logo. Yeah. I have one too.
Ooh, that's a little...
You know what that is? You never heard of Longchamp? That one has a strap.
Damn, Longchamper? We don't have all day.
All the way in the bottom.
Mom doesn't even wear fake lashes.
Mom says she wants to learn how to put.
Everybody at work has fake eyelashes. Yeah. So all of it, somebody gave our boss a magnetic one.
Magnetic.
Yeah, the magnet. See?
Alright, it was good guys. So I just got back home. Took the hair tie off. That is not a hair tie, that is my watch. I thought my hair tie was on my wrist. But yeah, took it off, just letting it bang out right now. But I just want to show you guys the items that I picked up so far in the first 2 days. This right here is a pair of Cole Haan leather Chelsea boots in super good condition. I honestly don't think that these have even been worn. If you look closely, you can see right there it says Nike Air, and then these are Cole Haans. Super comfy. Nice essential boot just in case I gotta dress up and wear jeans. Only sometimes. And then right here, this is a size medium Champion baby pink crew neck, all embroidered, and it's got the Champion logo right here. This has actually already been sold, so I'm telling you guys to follow me on IG because all my items fly pretty quickly, so make sure to follow your boy. Instagram's down below in the description. Lastly, right here, this one has actually been sold as well, but it is a bootleg Gucci tee. If you look closely right here, you see the Gucci logo and then you see the tiger. Super clean print. But yeah, super clean t-shirt. This has already been sold. That's why I'm telling you guys to follow me on IG so you guys can buy some items from me. Because by the time I put videos up, the items are most likely gonna be sold because they're selling faster and faster. So yeah. So we're gonna jump into this video that someone on YouTube made. He's like a small YouTuber. He supports me and follows the channel. He has like 300 something subscribers. I'll link his channel down below in the description as well. He made a video on how to film like Aaron. I'm super excited to watch it. So let's just jump into it and y'all can see my reaction. Let's go. All right, so here's his channel right here. Let's get the volume up.
I had it in a man bun for school, but you know, had to take it out because you know I'm filming a video. But what is going on, you guys? I'm Jake or Jake here back with a brand new video. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like, turn post notifications on. If you're from Aaron's channel, what's up? My name is Jake. I am one of you guys too. I love Aaron's channel. I'm part of the coziest channel on YouTube.
Let's go.
I'm gonna teach you guys how to be like Aye.p.ramirez, a man of fashion, the barber plug on Instagram. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to dress like him, how to record like him,
how to
edit like him, and all of that. So let's just begin. So first things
Dude,
first,
I'm hyped. Hold on, let's make this bigger. Oh my god, I'm hyped. I'm basically just gonna show you guys the funniest parts or the parts that I think are the best. So let's go.
Do I look cozy in this? In shorts and just a random shirt, no hat? I can't look cozy in this. Look at this transition, ready? This is how to look like the coziest channel on YouTube. Woo! Let's go. That's how you do it. Hey, man of fashion. Do I look like him already? Gotta get that tucked in shirt, you know? Let's tuck the shirt in even more. And, there you go.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm dead. I'm dying.
Because, you know, he's the coziest channel on YouTube. You gotta get them sunglasses or any type of sunglasses. You can go like these glasses, you can go these glasses, you can go no glasses, but I prefer these glasses. Anyway, there we got the hat, you know, because that's how he rolls. So, yeah.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna just give you a quick turn.
Yo.
What do you guys think? Alrighty guys, so the first step is complete. You know, you got the beanie, and you got the sunglasses, you got the tucked in shirt. So I feel like that's good. Next step is how to edit like
oh my god.
No way. How to record like Aye.p.ramirez. So I'll let you guys what he does. I don't have much time to go to the thrift store today, so I'm just gonna record with my closet. See how that turns out. So let's go. Let's say there are two items here, you know, oh, they're pretty nice. If he doesn't like this one, and he likes this one, I'm gonna teach you guys how it works. And action. Yo guys, so I'm at the thrift now, and I found this Hawaii, you know, nice, it's pretty nice. It's $6 today, I mean the thing on top, but it's still nice.
Oh my
and
god.
I found this vintage USC jacket, Apex one. It's $2 today, so I'm probably gonna cop. Let's go. So as you can see there, I used his catchphrase, "Let's go." So anytime you find some heat at the thrift store, you always have to say, "Let's go."
Oh my god, dude.
So now I'm going to teach you guys how to do the outro. So he has to show all this stuff first. So yo, I found this vintage 90s USC Apex one, all embroidered on the back with the patch piece. He drops it and he goes, "Let's go," or whatever. It doesn't matter, but he usually either drops it or throws it. So at the end he goes, "Let's rev it up, hey man of fashion, what's good?" And then the song goes bum 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 or something like that. I don't remember. I'll put in the song right now.
Hey, let's go, boy.
So yeah, it was something like that. Anyways, so you have to learn how to do this outro right here. That's what he does for his Instagram, so that's pretty cool. So let me just record the editing part.
Yo, I'm dying, dude. This is hella funny. Oh my god.
Yo, I found this vintage 90s USC Apex one, all embroidered on the back.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Piece. He drops it and he goes, "Let's go," or whatever. It doesn't really matter, but he usually either drops it or throws it. So at the end, he goes, "Let's rev it up. Hey, man of fashion. What's good?"
Here's the plug for the homies' Instagram. Oh my god, dude.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to smash that like button. I know this is like a crazy little video, but I just wanted to show you guys how to vlog like Aaron P.
Yo. Oh my god. Dude, that was extra funny. He killed it. Oh my god, I'm dying. Whew, that was funny. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Shout out to him. His Instagram is like Panda Resells, but I'll put his Instagram and his YouTube channel down below in the description. He killed it. He basically made my night. That was hella funny. Oh my god. I can't believe someone made a video on me. Skull boy. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Your boy's super tired. First stop is going to be the post office. But your boy is actually gonna end the vlog here, and I'm gonna try my best to get one more video out for you guys because I'm leaving for the weekend. Let me know in the comment section down below if you do want to see a video of me putting together my clothing for Mammoth this weekend. Mammoth is a mountain. We're gonna go snowboarding there, so I gotta, you know, put together some swaggy snow outfits and snowboarding outfits. So maybe I'll do a little outfit challenge, like an at-home outfit challenge for you guys, because you guys know I have a lot of fire winter wear. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog once again, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest. Amen to fashion. What's good? Go!